everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a super crispy and irresistibly delicious Nethili Fry, also known as Anchovy Fry. This recipe is so easy, you will be making it again and again. Let's get started. I have got 500 grams of fresh Nethili here, thoroughly cleaned and ready to go. Make sure they are well drained. Now let's start to marinate. To our Nethili, we are adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of store-bought chicken 65 powder, 1 tablespoon of rice flour for that extra crispiness, 4 to 5 tablespoons of cornflour to bind everything beautifully, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of freshly made ginger garlic paste. For tenderness and a tangy kick, 1½ teaspoon of curd and the juice of half a squeezed lemon. Finally, salt to taste. Now we are going to sprinkle a little bit of water, just enough to help all these dry ingredients coat the fish. Give everything a really good gentle mix, making sure each anchovy is nicely coated. Once mixed, we are going to cover this and let it marinate for 1 hour. This allows all those amazing flavor to seep into the fish. Pour enough oil into the kadai for deep frying. Wait until the oil is nicely heated. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop in your marinated Nethili. Don't overcrowd the pan. We are going to fry these until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy on all sides. Look at that, perfectly golden and crispy. And there you have it, delicious Nethili fry ready to be served. Try this, you will love it. I hope you loved this super easy recipe. If you tried it, let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.